If your Bitcoin knowledge is zero, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, you need to choose how you'll buy Bitcoin. You have several options. 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Coinbase is popular and user-friendly. BitBuy is secure and Canadian-based. Binance offers lots of cryptocurrencies and advanced features. 1. Peer-to-peer platforms. Local Bitcoins lets you buy directly from other people in Canada. 1. Bitcoin ATMs. Bitcoiniacs has a network of Bitcoin ATMs across the country. 1. Brokers eToro is a regulated broker that offers Bitcoin and more. Ready to buy? Here's how. First, pick your platform. Then, create an account and verify your identity. Next, fund your account using Canadian dollars, CAD. Now place an order to buy Bitcoin. Finally, transfer your Bitcoin to a secure wallet. Remember, security is key. Use a reputable exchange and enable two-factor authentication. Compare fees and stay informed about regulations, and always understand the risks before investing.